Hello everyone. Welcome to weekly GK updates. Let's start our interesting session. First is Vibrant Village program is implemented by which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Here is some interesting facts about this. This program was launched in 2023 for all-round development of villages near the international border. The first phase covered the village in the 46 blocks along the northern border in 19 districts of Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and Ladakh. Under the program, 17 border villages will be developed as tourist destinations. The second phase will cover Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Punjab to boost livelihood, prosperity, and safety. The second is Heard and McDonald Island, which were seen in the news, is located in which ocean? The answer is Indian Ocean. Here is some interesting facts about this. The United States President imposed a 10% tariff on imports from Heard and McDonald Island. They are one of Australia's 7 external tourists and are directly governed by the Australian government. Heard Island has Big Ben volcano with Mawson Peak and the highest mountain Australia outside mainland and Tasmania. McDonald Island is smaller but has doubled in size due to volcano eruption in the 1990s and 2000. These islands are used to study Earth's crust, climate change, and glaciers. The third is the International Criminal Court ICC was established by which international agreement? The answer is Rome Statute. Here are some interesting facts about this. The International Criminal Court was established in 2002 to prosecute individuals responsible for serious global crimes. Here are some interesting facts also for that. It is the only permanent international crime tribunal. The court was created by the Rome Statute, an international agreement adopted on 17th July 1998. The Rome Statute defines the court's powers, structure, and responsibilities and come into force on 1st July 2002. The next is Kannadapara, a traditional tribal handicraft from which Indian state was recently awarded the Geographical Identification Tag, that is GI. The answer is Kerala. Here are some interesting facts about this. The name Kannadi Paya means mirror matte due to its shiny reflective design. It is made from the soft inner layer of reed bamboo, giving two excellent thermal qualities, warm in winter and cool in summer. This craft is mainly done by tribal communities like the Orali, Manan, Muthawa, Malyan, Kadar, etc. The next is Asola Bharati Wildlife Sanctuary lies on which mountain range? The answer is Aravalli. Here are some interesting facts about this. Asola Bharati Wildlife Sanctuary is in the South Delhi range of the Aravali Hill Range on the Delhi-Haryana border. It forms part of the Southern Ridge and connects with the Indo-Gangetic Plain, making it biodiversity. The sanctuary is a key segment of the North Aravalli Leopard Wildlife Corridor, which began off Sarika National Park in Rajasthan. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.